In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple process that you can use to start making money online with CPA Marketing, running paid ads to sweepstake offers. All right, for those who don't know what sweepstake offers, they are generally those offers that give away $1,000 gift card. All right, as you can see right here, this one as an example, enter for a $100 Walmart gift card. So these are sweepstake offers and they are very, very easy to get conversions or lead because everyone wants giveaways. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you a very powerful website that you can use to start driving laser targeted traffic to these sweepstake offers. And the website we're going to be using is revcontent.com. And we are going to be running ads using this platform right here. So I'm going to be showing you how to use their native ad model to run targeted ads to these sweepstake offers. Okay, for those who don't know what native ad is, this is an example of what native ad looks like. As you can see right here, you won't even realize it's an ad and they are spread across this website right here. I'm just taking this website as an example. Okay, so generally they look like this on a website. You won't even realize they are ads, like I said. So that is why they call them native ads. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to create an account on revcontent.com. If you don't have one already, all you just need to do is click on get started, and it's a very simple and straight up registration. So I'm not going to be wasting time covering that. So once you have your account created on revcontent.com, everything is going to look like this. So once you are in your account, this is what you're going to see, and you want to click on the section that says campaign boost or create a campaign boost. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So if I quickly come over to this section, you can see right here they have push notification as well. They also have ad block. All right, like I said, we are going to be taking the native ad model to run these ads to these sweepstake offers. So what you're going to do is you can basically give your campaign a name. This is just to keep you organized. Okay, so you can just type in, I'm just going to type in example, and you want to pay, and I always recommend that you leave it as CPC, which stands for cost per click. All right, so you can actually come over here and increase or reduce your pay per click depending on how you want it. All right, so basically I'm going to be taking one of these offers here as an example. So if I scroll down to this, so I'm going to be taking this PayPal gift card as an example. You can see they want the traffic from United States and the traffic must be from a mobile device, and the payout is $2.57 for anyone who sign up for this PayPal offer. So now I am going to show you what you need to do from here. So what I always recommend and what I do for my ads is you want to make sure you set the bid amount to 1/3 of that offer. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so 1/3 of 2.57 should be around 0.79. Okay, so it should be around this. So I always recommend you set whatever the traffic, whatever the payout of that offer is, you want to set the cost per click to 1/3 of that payout. For those who don't know the essence of this bid amount, the higher your cost per click, the more traffic you are going to get to your CPA offer, or should I say your landing page. Okay, so if you have a lower cost per click, then you won't get much traffic. So it's always reasonable to increase your cost per click, like I said, at least 1/3 of the payout of that offer. So once you have that done, you can set the amount you want to pay per day for this offer. All right, so now you can just leave this one like this, and now you want to choose the day you want to start running your offer. So if you choose a specific day, you can basically just select the day you want to start running the offer. Okay, so like I said, you want to select native, and now you want to choose a country. All right, so you don't want to go over to this all countries since it's a United States offer. So you want to click on this include, and you want to select United States. Okay, all right, you want to basically leave all this as default the way they are. Since the offer wants conversion from mobile devices, then you want to select mobile devices. All right, so you can do a split testing if you want to test conversion on Android, on iOS, on Windows. So you can create a duplicate campaign and select Android, then create another duplicate campaign for iOS and another one for Windows. Okay, but for now you want to basically go with all right. So once you've selected this all mobile operating system, all right, since you are targeting United States, that you want to select English, so you want to paste in the landing page link to your CPA offer right here. And like I always say, you can use breezy.io to create a landing page, something like this, very simple landing page. You can also use Google Site if you want. Also, if you don't want to use your direct landing page link, then I recommend you use a tracking software like this one right here, beamob.com. You can create a tracking link right here for your landing page. So once you create the tracking link, you want to paste the tracking link right here. So if you don't know how to use a tracking software, you can just basically click on this section right here. All right, so once you click on that, then you want to paste in your link right here. Okay, and you want to type in the name of the offer right here. Okay, so once you do that, then all you just need to do is click on build tracking code. All right, so once you do that, as you can see, this is your link right here. All you just need to do is click on blue tracking code, and in a few minutes your ad would start running. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.